In front of me is Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to tap on Privacy Controls. Select Permission Manager and tap on any feature you wish to manage. Then tap on one of your apps and tap on one of those options. If you want to, you can also select See All Permissions here and operate all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!